it's looking a lot more like AI is capable of reading our thoughts.
What if you could control everything with your mind?
Yeah, this is AI makes non-invasive mind reading possible.
According to a new study, artificial intelligence can now even read brain scans.
Did you know that scientists are working on AI that can read human minds? Yeah, it's true. In the field of technology, we're seeing progress towards machines that can read minds, something we once only saw in science fiction. Just imagine a world where our thoughts and dreams can be communicated without words or clicks of a mouse. This is becoming a reality thanks to the development of deep learning algorithms inspired by the workings of the human brain. Let's explore how far this journey has come. Research and experiments in mind-reading AI are successful. To explore if artificial intelligence can understand our thoughts, scientists made a model that works like our brains when storing information. In the test, 3 women spent hours watching short videos while a special machine measured their brain activity. The exciting part happened when a smart computer program skilled at understanding images learned to connect what the women saw with their brain activity. As they watched more videos, the program got really good at predicting what was happening in different parts of their brains. It not only showed what was going on, but also gave scientists important details about how each part of their brain works. So the AI could figure out if the women were watching cat videos or funny fails. It knew what was happening in their minds. This discovery is a big deal and opens up new possibilities. But wait, there's more. Scientists are still exploring and finding out even more fascinating things about how AI and our minds can work together. The AI can tell what the women watch based on shared data. Yeah, it's true. Another exciting part of this amazing technology involves understanding brain signals to predict what the participant was watching, and it could do this with about 50% accuracy. Surprisingly, even when the computer was trained on information from a different woman's brain, it could still correctly identify the image about 25% of the time. These discoveries, recently shared in cerebral cortex, show how useful and adaptable this artificial intelligence is. It means the AI can handle information from different places, making it more versatile and successful. But here's the big question. Can the AI recreate what the women saw? Can it read their minds and show the world what was in their thoughts? Well, let's find out the answer to these intriguing questions. Mind-reading AI can recreate what the mind knows. It might sound unbelievable, but this special AI network can kind of show what someone saw by turning their brain activity into pictures. At first, the pictures are simple and look like white dots, but the researchers believe there's a lot of potential in their work. They hope to make progress and eventually be able to recreate mental images. The big idea is to connect the parts of the brain that deal with vision to turn thoughts into clear information. Think about a future where people can share their thoughts and dreams without speaking or using their hands, just by thinking. This could be a big help for stroke survivors who can't communicate in the usual ways. Instead of struggling to talk or write, they could share their thoughts with the world using only their minds. Even though the idea of machines reading minds brings up concerns about privacy and morals, it's crucial to focus on the positive impact on those who have trouble communicating. Exploring the human mind through research can lead to great outcomes, giving a voice to those who might not be heard otherwise. So, is there real potential in developing AI that can read minds? Mind-reading AI will help people with disabilities. Imagine how mind-reading AI could be a huge help for people who have trouble moving or talking, like those with paralysis. With this special AI, folks who are disabled can make things happen, like using a computer or moving a wheelchair, just by thinking about it. It's kind of like giving them a superpower to do things on their own and be more independent. This means they won't have to ask others for help with basic things. In fact, this AI might even make it, so disabilities aren't as big of a challenge. With this cool technology, people with disabilities can have a better shot at living a good life. It'll be like having all the help they need to make life easier and more successful. They won't have to depend on others just because they were born with a disability, and nobody will have to spend their life taking care of someone with a disability. Clearly, this mind-reading AI has the potential to make life way better for everyone. mind-reading AI can influence better mental health. Expressing our feelings can be tough sometimes, but what if there was a smart artificial intelligence that could sense our emotions just by knowing our thoughts? This could make a big difference in how we take care of our mental well-being. Think about those times when you felt sad or stressed and you didn't want to talk about it or didn't know how to. Now picture having an AI that understands when you're feeling down. It could give you suggestions to help you feel better or just be there as a friendly companion. It's like having a buddy who understands you, even when finding the right words is hard. This AI friend can recognize your feelings, like sadness or stress, and respond in a way that suits you. If you need advice, it can give you helpful tips. If you just want someone to be there and listen, the mind-reading AI can do that too. It's like having a smart and understanding friend who knows when you're having a tough day. So the idea of an AI understanding our emotions is like having a safety net for our mental health. It creates a space where we feel heard and supported, even if we don't say a single word about what's going on inside us. This is especially helpful for those times when we might not feel comfortable talking about our feelings or don't have someone around to share them with. Having a mind-reading AI could be like having a caring friend always ready to lend an understanding ear. Mind-reading AI can boost people's learning speed. Have you ever wished for a super fast learning buddy? Well, guess what? Mind-reading AI might just make that wish come true. Imagine you're studying for a big test and you have an AI tutor that knows exactly what you need help with. This clever AI can adapt and create lessons based on your thoughts, making learning much more exciting and enjoyable. It's like having your own personal teacher inside your head, giving you lessons designed just for you. Now let's talk about those amazing ideas you have. We all know how awesome it feels to come up with cool thoughts, but sometimes turning them into real things can be a bit tricky. That's where mind-reading AI comes in. Whether you're writing a story, making music, or creating art, AI can be there to help you out with suggestions and support. It's like having a helpful friend who can guide you in bringing your imaginative ideas to life. So the superpower of mind-reading AI isn't just about making learning easier, it's also about turning your creative ideas into something amazing. Can you imagine having a virtual companion that understands what's going on in your mind and helps you every step of the way? It's just like having a friendly guide on your journey of learning and creating. With mind-reading AI by your side, the possibilities are endless. Mind-reading AI will break language barriers. Think about a world where it doesn't matter what language you speak. Everyone just gets each other. Well, with mind-reading AI, that might actually happen. Let's chat about how it can break down language barriers and make talking super easy. You know how sometimes people speak different languages and it's hard to understand each other? Mind-reading AI is like a magical language helper. You think in your language, and this smart AI turns your thoughts into words everyone can understand. It's like having a universal translator for your mind. But here's the cool part. You can talk in your language and the AI helps others understand you, even if you speak a different language. It's like opening a door to a world where everyone can connect and share their cool ideas, even if they don't use the same words. This magical language helper doesn't just stop at spoken words. It goes into your thoughts, making sure the true meaning and feelings behind your words are super clear. Mind-reading AI will be improving healthcare. Think about going to the doctor and they get how you're feeling without you saying anything. That's the cool part of mind-reading AI, a tech that could really shake up healthcare. So let's dig in a bit more on how it works. Mind-reading AI acts like a super smart helper for doctors. When you're not feeling great, it helps the doctor figure out what's up with your health. It's like having a doctor who can peek into your thoughts to find out what's causing your sickness. This breakthrough could speed up the process of figuring out what's wrong with your health. The doctor gets a clearer picture, kind of like having an extra set of eyes that can see more than what you tell them. It's like having a superhero buddy working with the doctor to quickly figure out what's the problem. Now, let's talk about personalized healthcare. We're all unique, and our bodies react differently to sickness and treatments. Mind-reading AI gets this and makes healthcare plans just for you. It's just like having a healthcare plan made just for your needs. If you're having a headache, the AI will understand not just that your head hurts, but also the type of pain and how it makes you feel. This info helps the doctor suggest a treatment that fits you best. So basically, you'll be having a healthcare friend who knows you well and can suggest the perfect fix. The potential impact of mind-reading AI in healthcare is huge. Quick and spot-on diagnosis mean you can get right treatment sooner, a big advantage, especially with serious illnesses. Mind-reading AI could really help doctors catch problems early on, giving you the best care right when you need it. So in a nutshell, mind-reading AI could really change things in our world. It has the power to mix up our daily lives and affect the way we think. The things this AI can do are pretty cool and a bit mysterious as well, and we've chatted about how it might make the world a better place. Have we figured out all the secrets of this amazing puzzle? Definitely. We've talked about how it could bring positive changes everywhere. Now the big question is, do you think mind-reading AI will be a good thing, making a positive impact on our world? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And if you liked learning about this, don't forget to show it to your friends and family by sharing this video. For more interesting stuff like this, stay tuned to the channel and be sure to hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel.